Hi guys, thank you for dropping by. Drinking coffee with cake in the afternoon is very much part of our life here in Germany. At times when I really don't have much time to bake a cake, I turn to this recipe because this is really quick to bake and this cake is very delicious. It's the hazelnut chocolate cake, or we call it in German Hazelnuss Schokokuchen. We also call this Tassenkuchen or cupcake because the ingredients are measured in cups. And here is the list of ingredients. And now we will start baking. Please take note that once you have added the flour and the baking powder, you have to beat in low speed. In the meantime, we can prepare the chocolate glaze, the dark chocolate, and the white chocolate. The reason why I put coconut oil is to make the chocolate glaze glossy. Now comes my favorite part, which is glazing the cake. While waiting for this to cool down a little bit, we can prepare the nuts that we're going to use for topping. Ideally, we should be using hazelnuts for toppings, but I don't have them at the moment. What I have are these 4 pieces of walnuts. We can also use them. I put the white chocolate glaze in a freezer bag and made a tiny hole by snipping the very corner of the bag. And finally, we can put the toppings. And here it is, the hazelnut chocolate cake, Hazelnuss Schokokuchen oder Tassenkuchen.